Imagine you're running a race. And all of a sudden, you've been running, and you look up, and the finish line is moving further away from you. For most of you, the financial system and your financial goals are actually moving further away from you, and you don't even know it. What return do you need to earn to break even when factoring in inflation and taxes? You have to generate a 10% return on investment just to break even, not even to build your wealth. And this has to be year after year after year after year in a compounding manner. The traditional method of investing that most people are doing is broken. It does not work. And the sad truth is, so many people do not find out that this is happening until they retire. Most people are financial slaves. That is the reality of our financial system. That's what it was designed to do. Have you work hard your whole life and not get ahead, and make the financial institutions and the government a whole lot of money. The good news is there's actually a way to flip the script and make the incredibly powerful financial system work for you instead of against you. There are legal loopholes you can start using today to slow down that finish line and quickly start building your wealth on autopilot with much less risk and much less stress. If you want to learn more about this powerful new paradigm for building wealth that my good friend and mentor George Antone calls hacking finance, reserve your spot now to attend my upcoming training where I'll dive deeper into these strategies and teach you how to implement one of them the very next day at your local bank that can increase your net worth by 6 to 7 figures. When you have more resources, you can make a bigger difference. That's just a simple fact. Because that is what this planet needs more than anything right now, are people that are showing up and getting educated and investing in themselves so that this way they can go out and make a difference.